Welcome people. Welcome to mathspidgin. My name is Naija. Today we want to start with algebra. We want to start algebra from 0 level. Now when you be there primary school, they give you something like this. Box plus 3 equal to 8. Or 5 minus box equal to 3. You dey do one and you dey get am back. Now since then you don't do algebra, but you no say na algebra. Now when you don't advance for math small, they can't clean this box. They can't put x, can't put y. As they put x and y, they can't call them algebra. So algebra now when we don't see letters inside our maths. Something like this. 7x minus 2b plus 3y. Now example of algebraic expression. So in other words, I get 7 box 1 minus 2 box 2 plus 3 box 3. Now if we put or we assume say each of these letters na box, it means say any of these letters fit be any number. Abi x, b and y fit be any number, right? So again 7x for this expression and minus 2b for this expression and 3y for this expression, we dey call them the terms of the algebraic expression. Terms of the algebraic expression. When we say 3y, now the same thing as 3 times y. 3 times y. And 3 for this place now, we go call am coefficient of y. So this 3 now na coefficient of y. So another way of writing this algebraic expression now something like this. Or this algebraic expression means something like this. We get 7x plus minus 2b plus 3y. So as I don't talk before, say each of these now the terms of the algebra. It means say this one na first term, this one na second term, and this one na third term of the algebra. Now, after we don't understand algebraic expression and the terms of the algebra, we go fit multiply or divide algebraic terms. So in that case, I get 3a times 5b. 3a times 5b. Now something like this, 3 times a times 5 times b. So if we collect numbers together, collect letters together, as we do for here, we go don get 3 times 5 times a times b. So 3 times 5 na 15. 3a times b na ab. So 3 times 5 times a times b could be 15ab. Now for here we want divide. We get 12mn, they divide or 1 divide 3m. Or 3m, 1 divide 12mn. So another way we go write this one now 12 times n over 3 times n. So for this place now, this one will cancel this one, abi? And then 3 will cancel this one, and 3 inside here now 4. So we can't get 4n. And the division be that. After we don't multiply and divide, we will still fit add or subtract for algebraic terms. So let's check this one out. I get 2x squared minus 7x plus 3y equal to 5x plus 2y. Now before we go do any addition or subtraction of any of these algebraic terms, we go learn what they call like terms. That is, we collect like terms. Like terms for algebraic expression or for algebra, now algebraic terms where they the same level or where they the same category. Like 2x squared, you don't get category for here because this x gets power. This x get power. So we'll explain that when we don't do indices. So this one no get category for this expression. So I can't write and say no get like terms. But minus 7x and 5x, they get the same level. So now like terms they be because they carry x. Now 3y and 2y, now like terms they be because they carry y each. So they dey the same level. For that reason, we go fit add. We fit add minus 7x plus 5x. So minus 7x plus 5x will give me minus 2x. Sure, now understand this one now, right? You dey owe person 7 naira and you come pay am 5 naira. Wetin you go remain wey you dey owe? No be 2 naira. So na so we do this one. Then this one na 3y plus 2y. I go get 5y. And so we dey add am. We just add the numbers and write the y. So like we don talk before, this one na coefficient of x, this one na coefficient of y. So we fit subtract for here. As we wan subtract now, we go collect like terms again. Minus 7x minus 3x. All of them na the same terms they be, or na like terms they be. Therefore, as we don't do this one, we will get minus 10x. Abeg, make una no confuse this one. You dey owe person 7 naira, and then you go borrow 3 naira again. How much you dey owe total? No be 10 naira you dey owe. So now for this one, 3y minus 2y will give me 1y. Abi? But you don't go write 1y, you go just write y. Shey? You get 3 oranges. You come pack 2 comot. What you go get? An orange. Now you go get an orange. No be 1 orange. You get an orange. Now, after we don't do this one, if we want simplify algebraic expression, we go first of all learn how to remove brackets for algebraic expression, because bracket they come with algebraic expression. But we check this one out. I get a plus bracket 2a minus 7b. Now another way when we express this one, now a plus bracket 2a plus minus 7b. Abi? Now if we want to remove this bracket, we just carry this one where they near the bracket, multiply each term where they this bracket. So in that case, I get a, my a still there here, plus, right? I use the plus, multiply this 2a, so I will get times 2a. Then this plus, multiply the 7b, I will get plus minus 7b. So I still get my a. So I still get plus 2a. Now, plus multiplied by negative will give us negative. So I get minus 7b. So a plus 2a will give me 3a, then minus 7b. Now the simplification be that. For here, I get 5x minus bracket x minus 9y. Now for here, I want to use this minus, multiply any term or each term where do this bracket. So I get my 5x. Now minus times x will give me minus x. Minus times minus 9y will give me minus times minus 9y. Abi? So 5x minus x. Now this times this will give me plus. Now you make I get plus 9y. So I get 5x minus x will give me 4x. Will give me 4x. And then times this will give me plus 9y. So my last answer will be 4x plus 9y. So we'll see this one. This one now, minus 2a minus a bracket minus a minus 3b. Another way we will write this one now, minus 2a minus a plus minus 3b. So we'll use each term here, multiply each of this one. We'll use this term, multiply each of these one already here. So we get minus 2a times this a. Abi? This plus will come up. I will use minus 2a times 3 minus 3b. So I get minus 2a times minus 3b. Now if I multiply this one, I will get plus. Then 2a times a will give me 2a squared. Then my plus will come down here, abi? So if I multiply this one, I will get plus. 2 times 3 will give me 6. And then a times b will give me ab. So if I do that one, plus, and normally will give me 2a squared. This plus there here, and this one will give me 6ab. Now for this one, we get 3 minus 7b. Sorry, 3 minus 7 bracket 5 minus 4x. So another way of writing this expression, now 3 plus minus 7 bracket 5 plus minus 4x. So in that case, I will use this one, multiply this one, use this one, multiply this one. So I get 3 plus this plus. Then this minus multiplied by this, I get minus 7 times 5. Abi? I will bring down this plus. Then I will use this one, multiply this. I get minus 7 times minus 4x. So I still get my 3 here, right? Minus 7 times 5, I will get minus 35. And then my plus is here. I will come do minus will give me plus. 7 times 4 will give me 28. Then multiply by x will get x. Therefore, I will get 3 minus 35 plus 28. Then if I evaluate that, 3 minus 35 will give me minus 32, abi? You get 3 naira, go borrow 35 naira. Where do you go? They owe. You go, they owe 32 naira, abi? They owe 32 naira. Then plus 28x. So since this one are positive, if we change them, if we change this one, so we'll get 28x minus 32. So now we want to do expanding algebraic expression. If we get something like this, bracket a plus b times x plus y. This expression, if we express it like this, just a plus b in bracket x plus y. Something like this, we dey call them binomial expression. Binomial expression. Binomial meaning two names. So we get binomial expression. So if we get binomial expression like this, the way to handle it is multiply this one by this one first. Then multiply this one by that one first. So if I multiply this one by this one, I'll get ax. If I multiply this one by that one, I will get ay. Then I will come multiply this one by this one. I'll get bx. And then I will multiply this one by this one. I will get by. So if I express them, I will get ax plus ay plus bx plus by. Now so we take expand this bracket. Another way we do one, we say, if we carry this a, multiply everything with the here, then carry b, multiply everything with the here. Like this, a times bracket x plus y plus b times bracket x plus y. Then if I do a times x, I will get ax. A times y, I will get ay. Plus b times x, I will get bx. b times y, I will get by. Now, this one I exercise what we don't give of everything what we don't learn so far about algebra and algebraic terms. I would like you maybe try. So if you get any comment or any concern about this video, make I know.